Hello, welcome to Educrat World YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to link your Google AdSense account with your Google Analytics account. Before we delve into the tutorial proper, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new to it. And this video, please do not forget to like it and also share this video because there's somebody out there that actually needs all the information contained in this tutorial. As mentioned, I'm going to be showing you how you should link your Google AdSense with your Google Analytics account and also the reason behind it. Why should you link it? Is it actually worth it? What would be the advantage for you if you actually link your Google AdSense with your Google Analytics account? So all this are what we're going to be looking at in this video tutorial. But then let's ask ourselves this question. What exactly is Google AdSense? AdSense is owned by Google. It is a platform created for publishers to earn money from their posts and videos. Post on your website or blog and your videos on YouTube. Most bloggers around the world actually earn money by placing ads from AdSense platform on their website and making passive or full income from them. Now, you may wonder where these ads that are actually got that actually shown on your website come from? Well, a huge pool of advertisers who want to show their product and services and make use of a Google Ads platform to run advertisement, either to get more visitors to their website, engage with more customers online, get more clicks on their banner ads, either to create awareness on their product and services, or make more money from selling their products and services also. I'm very sure that most of the time when you go on as a website, you find ads being thrown at your face, or you browse for particular product or services, you show for a particular information, and you land on the website, you see ads shown. Now, most of this ad may not be from Google AdSense, but it's a typical example of how Google AdSense will actually show ads on your own website or blog. So when these advertisers, owners of products and services actually use Google Ads to show the product and services, and in return, Google actually get to show this ad. The actually the ones that are actually relevant to your page content, and that's the content of your blog, your online forum, or website, and you get to make money from them when visitors click on them or actually view per 1,000 view of such ads. While Google Analytics is also a platform also created by the same Google to help you as a blogger or business owner who owns a blog or website understand the type of people who visit your site. With Google Analytics, you get to understand the type of people visiting your website, how they go to your website, do they come through search engines, directories, or through from social media platforms. How long are they actually staying at your site? How long do they stay to actually read information on your site? Is the information on your site, the content on your site, are they interesting to them? Or basically they just click the back button on their phone or on their website and they are off to search for another information on a different website. The pages on your site, the pages on your site that they visit, what are the pages on your site that they visit? How do they interact with your website? Which country are they visiting from? How many websites are online at a particular point in time? What are the total numbers of visitors within a period of time? The total numbers of page views that such visitors actually viewed on your page, on your website? Which page is earning you the most money from AdSense, and which of the AdSense ads placement that you place on your blog or your pages is actually earning you the most money. How many people fill the form on your website? And this and many more are things that you get to know when you actually make use of Google Analytics. And all that is required of you is just to copy a Java script code from your Google Analytics account and insert it into all the pages on your website. Once that is done, Google Analytics takes charge by tracking every user that actually comes onto your website or blog. Now, this may actually make you ask, why should you link your Google AdSense with your Google Analytics account? Well, the answers are actually quite straightforward. Now, linking your Google AdSense account with Google Analytics is very important, and there are several reasons you should do that now. That is, if you've not already done so. Now, such reasons might include that you get to know unique users to your website. You get to know the bounce rate, who stays on your site, who leaves immediately, what is keeping them on your site, and why are they actually leaving. Now, you get to know the sections on your page. You get to know the AdSense code that is actually making you the most money. You get to know the post actually making you the most money. You get to know your total numbers of page views over a period of time. You get to know the country where visitors to your website are actually coming from, and the countries that are actually viewing your site the most and also making you the most money. Now, the bottom line here is when you link your Google AdSense with your Google Analytics account, now you get data and insight that will actually help you maximize your website and revenue. Now, you don't just go linking your Google AdSense account with your Google Analytics account. There are some things that you must be in place before you start this process. Now, number one is to make sure that your AdSense and Analytics account are actually created using the same Gmail account. Number two is make sure your Analytics and AdSense accounts are actually active and working. The third one is make sure that you have permission as an admin of your website, your AdSense platform, and also your analytics platform. Now, once you have all these three in place, then you can actually proceed to the main tutorial, which is how you will now link the Google AdSense account with your Google Analytics account. So once you've done all this, now move to the next step. So now let's dive into how you're actually going to link do all this linking that we've been talking about. Now, assume that you've opened your Google Analytics page. Now, this is mine. It's my own Google Analytics page. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to come over here, right beside the Google Analytics logo, and where you have a website data, click on this drop-down menu here. Now, once you do that, the next thing is to actually choose the Google Analytics account that you want to link to your AdSense. For me, I'm going to be using this, so I'm going to click on it. Our website data. So when that is done, so I after doing that, I actually need to scroll down here to where you have admin. So click here on admin. So once I click on admin, so the next thing is actually um to scroll down under that property here, scroll down to product linking and you click on AdSense linking. So once you do that, under here you choose it's going to say select an AdSense property. So you know your AdSense account property. So what you need to do is click here and choose it if you have several ones. So I have one, so that's it. So here I'm going to select AdSense for content. Now, if it also shows AdSense for search, you can actually choose any one of them. But I'm choosing this AdSense for content. So click on continue. So here I have link configuration. Which analytics view should this AdSense properly link to? So click here. I'm also choosing the analytics view. So I'm going to be choosing send default Google Ads profile. No, I'm choosing all website um, data. All website data like I've chosen up here before. So I'm choosing all website data. So here I'm going to click on enable link. So now once this is done, I've actually been able to link it here. So the next thing for me to do is to actually click on done. Now you can see here that it may take up to 24 hours for your AdSense link to begin displaying. So you need to wait for 24 hours to start seeing the results of you linking it. Add AdSense mentor such as revenue, clicks, and impressions in favorite analytics. Just you need to wait for 24 hours. Once this is done, and you have this showing a tick under the tick on the gray circle, then it means that you've actually linked it. So the next you want to do is click on done. So you can see here um, AdSense accounts, AdSense for content, one link view. So if you need to link a different AdSense account again, you can go ahead and click on new AdSense linking. Now, once this is done and you've waited for 24 hours and you actually need to see if the whole process actually worked, so what you need to do is to go back home, click on the home button here. So it takes you to the AdSense and to the analytics main screen. The next thing you want to search for is behavior. Click on behavior. Now, under behavior, you see publishing, so click on it. So under publishing, you see three other links. One is overview, the other is the publisher's page, and the other is publisher referrals. So you can click on overview. Now don't forget we need to wait for 24 at least 24 hours. So let's see. Now, as you can see, nothing is shown here yet. As I said, you actually need to wait 24 hours for all this to actually populate. So I will give you an overview of all publisher impressions, publisher coverage, monetized page views, just a total summary of the whole overview. Then publishers pages actually will show you the page that is actually making you the most money. Nothing is here yet, so we need to wait 24 hours, as I said. Then you have a publisher referrals. Now this actually on a publisher referral, just click on it. It will actually show you nothing still here because as I said, we still need to wait for 24 hours, at least 24 hours. Well, what it does is to show you your referral website, which website, social media platform are you getting your visitors from? Are your visitors actually coming from? Are referring your website for um, visits and you making more money. So that's it. That's all you need to do when you need to on how to link your analytics to your AdSense. So once this is done, wait for 24 hours. I've said, come back to behavior. Under the story, you get all under publisher, you get all the information and insight that you actually need to maximize your website traffic and profit. So here we're going to end the tutorial for today. I want to say thank you for watching, and do not forget, if you're new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also like the video. Also hit the share button because someone out there may actually be in need of the information contained in this video. Finally, do not forget to hit the notification bell because when you do this, you're actually notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye for now.